You're probably making cybersecurity mistakes right now without even realizing it. And no, I'm not talking about forgetting to update your antivirus. I'm talking about the fundamental misunderstandings that leave millions of people vulnerable to cyber attacks every single day. The truth is, cybersecurity isn't about outsmarting elite hackers. It's about understanding the simple gaps in your digital behavior that predators exploit daily. Today, we are fixing those gaps. Here's the first critical misunderstanding about cyber threats. Hackers aren't personally targeting you. They're using automated tools that scan for vulnerabilities in thousands of people at once. Your data has value whether you're a CEO or a college student. This is why identity theft protection starts with recognizing that everyone is a potential target in today's connected world. Even if you have the world's strongest password security, you're only protecting one entrance. Modern cyber attacks come through social engineering, phishing scams, and unsecured networks. This is where understanding online security basics becomes crucial. It's about building layers of defense, not just one strong lock. The biggest barrier to cybersecurity for beginners isn't complexity. It's the misconception that you need to be technical. In reality, internet safety is about developing smart habits, not learning code. Here are some practical digital protection strategies anyone can implement starting today. First, shift from "am I targeted" to "how am I vulnerable?" Second, move from strong passwords to layered security. Third, transition from technical knowledge to smart habits. These mental shifts are more powerful than any single security software when it comes to preventing cyber attacks. So, where do we go from here? Over the next 7 videos, we are building your complete cybersecurity foundation. We'll cover everything from protecting personal data to understanding how AI security can work for you. In our next video, we break down the 5 most common cyber threats you'll face online. You'll be shocked how many you encounter daily without realizing it. If you're ready to move from vulnerable to vigilant, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Because in today's digital world, cyber awareness isn't optional, it's essential.